Alright, so in trying to figure out where the why the thing was boiling over all the time, I pressure tested the radiator. Now I don't have an actual pressure tester, so I just set the air compressor way down to like 10 pounds, which is what the rad cap is at, and corked it in a funnel in the top of the rad. And well, she held pressure once, twice, and then the third time I did it, just to double check everything, I heard a pop and started spraying water out right around here. So pulled the radiator out like this, soldered it up. Ugly, but she holds past the point where the radiator cap pops, so I'm not going to touch it anymore. Actually, while I've got the radiator out here like this, I'm going to stick a hose in the end and reverse flush the sucker. Because I can, why not? It's at this position, I can, and I'm going to. I'm going to put something plastic over here so I don't get coolant all, or, well, there shouldn't be any coolant left in there. Drain the whole thing. But I'll just go over that and cover that with some plastic and flush her out. Well, that didn't work. It was leaking, actually. Very slowly, but it was still leaking, so here we go again. Let's try it this way. I'm going to clean all that solder off again, clean it up with the wire brush, reflux, and basically solder the whole thing in again. Framing. Alright, well, that's what I'm going to do. So, while I'm trying to repair this leak in my radiator, I'd like to think I've got a sense of humor, so using brass to repair the brass radiator. What I'm doing right now is kind of building it up till it's level with the top, and then I'll put a piece over the top of it, then just run solder the crap out of it, and hopefully it'll hold this time. Might need some pieces in the corners to help back it out. The problem is this whole part flexes like this when I put pressure in it, and that's what's breaking the solder away up in here. So something to go over the top of that, and that's why I put all these pieces in around it. Helps keep it from flexing. It flexes a lot less now, which is good, but it's still enough to crack it and let air out. So